Hello everyone. Greetings to everybody. My name is Priyanka, daughter of Rajavelu. I'm the chairman of this McDonald's company.
I'm Noaina Faisha binti Omar Binti as a Human Resource Manager in the company.
I am Nur Eliaizati binti Muhammad Zain as a finance manager.
I am Husna Raina binti Hashim as marketing manager.
Alright. As you all know, recently our company has been facing customers' problem regarding the rise in the price of our chicken company. So, to overcome this, we have to come out with some ideas. As a human resource manager, Miss Aina, do you have any idea?
Yes, I do. Since the economic sector began to open last month, the prices of essential goods, especially chicken, have been seen to increase due to the temporary effect of supply demand, which has not yet stabilized or recovered. For example, rising grain costs and high demand were identified as factors in rising chicken prices. Poultry farmers can expect the opening of this space because they need time to provide sufficient supply of chickens for the next market as prices will be stable. Besides that, the increase in the supply price of chick has also been identified as one of the reasons for the increase in the price of livestock in the market. The increase in the price of the chick has caused some operators to reduce their purchases and reduce the supply of chickens to decrease in the market. When the supply is low, so the price also increases. So my suggestion to overcome these matters, we need to adjust the price. For example, reducing prices and at the same time maintain the quantity. Quantity discount can be given, which is a price reduction to buyers who buy large volume. That's all from me.
Alright, that sounds good. I think we can follow as per you said just now. Next, how about the competitors' price, Miss Elia?
So I suggest that we use a price advertisement strategy such as dynamic pricing. We can organize campaign which the rule and active according to the season of the year. Example, a sports store make it beach product cheaper during the spring, or we can make year-end sale or Hari Raya sale. Before setting a dynamic pricing strategy, we should connect our product fit with those of our competitor that we wish to control. This fit automatically connected through the International Product Identification Code in a semi-automatic way. Based on similar characteristics between products such as image, tag, example, or manual through a URL. To be able to match our product with those of the competition without fear of losing profit margin, it will be important to identify factors that we will allow we to have more performance. If we notice that we average market price is far below the price of our item, our restaurant may be facing a disadvantageous position against supplier, lack of stock, poorly logistic, and high fixed price. Offering service that improve the shopping experience of our consumer is a good option to get away from the competition and increase the conversion rate. So we can try to offer a useful after sale support the user such as channel to answer their question, shipping tracking option, example, seeking agreement and building relationship with user instead of focusing on sale per se is vital to turning casual answer into loyal customer. That's all from me. Thank you.
Wow, this is a great idea. As a finance manager, you did a great thing. So we should definitely try it. One more thing, we should also consider about the aggressive promotion. So can I have the idea from Miss Diana?
Yes, this is my responsible. So the first thing is strategy for aggressive competitor. Change your mindset. And second, select your dig in can rush. Differentiate yourself, accept imitation as flattery. Realize the competitors are always competitors. So aggressive promotion can special event pricing like sale Hari Raya, Christmas, back to sale Hari Raya for give low price to our Muslim burger or something food in our restaurant. So the second one is warranty and service. So if companies can promote sale by adding a free or low cost, so our company can give free ice cream or free farm fries to kids. And the last one is how to deal with competitors. How to deal with competitors is have belief in our own product or service. Having a genuine belief in our own product or service will mean that you do not need to be overly aggressive in order to ethic sell. So we have to believe our product. And the second one is do not stop to their life. Do not stop to their life. Integrity through it mean be tempted at some stage to go for the aggressive. Appreciate yourself in order to qualify and helpful of quick wins. In the end, it will be fair, more effective to remain true to your own business. That's all for me.
Okay, glad. Actually, three of you have done a good job. We have completed this. So thank you so much for the ideas, dear managers. I really hope that it will work. So thanks again for the contributions. Thank you so much. That's all.
Thank you.
Thank you.